Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to scan for virus and threat protection if you are Samsung Galaxy phone user. So you can watch this video till and very carefully. So for this guys, you don't need to install any third-party extra app, so you can use the built-in tool to scan your Samsung phone. So for this guys, first you need to open your phone settings, scroll down and find out battery and device care option and open it like this. Okay, and here guys you can get the option app protection. So if you want to scan, if you have any virus threat protection in your phone, it will show you here. So if you want to scan, so just tap on it like this and then tap on scan now. Okay, so it will take some time to completely scan your phone, including your all apps and games installed in your Samsung phone. So wait for few minutes till the scanning process was completed. After the scanning process was completed, now as you can see guys, in my phone there is no threat found. So if any threat found on your phone, it will show you here and you need to uninstall that particular app or game from your phone. Okay, so this is the very nice and very useful tool available in any Samsung device. So just go and scan your phone. Okay, so that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.